Okay, so this video will be kind of short video just to give you a glimpse. And if you're running low or on RAM or you don't have enough RAM, this is where this one applies. And I'm going to go to the task manager real quick and go to performance. Now, I have enough RAM for what I do anyway. Let's go to memory, and this here is the cached RAM. Now this, if you have enough RAM like I do here, helps a lot. It actually can make processes way faster because of course it's cached already. It doesn't need to recall information from the hard drive or SSD or whatnot. But if you're running low on RAM, it is a good practice to dump that cached memory, and in some cases it will help. Just don't make this a habit because it's not good to keep dumping the cached RAM every so often. But if you're low on RAM, this will help. Now this, despite the thumbnail, will not increase the frequency of your RAM, meaning the base speed, the physical speed is what it is. So 2100 megahertz here, it remains 2100 megahertz. It doesn't go anywhere. But what we're gonna do here, there's a little app. It's made by Microsoft itself, so it should be kind of safe. It's called RAM Map. The version right now is 1.61, and we're gonna download it really quick. I already have it, but let me show the complete dialog thing and open it. And when you open it, you will have a compressed folder that'll be in here, and just unzip it with whatever you unzip your folders. I usually just go with 7-zip, but then you will have these files right here. Let me delete them and unzip it real quick, just so you see this unnecessary step right here. Boom. These are the files that we have going on, and you want to go with a RAM map exe right here. I'm gonna double click it, and it will open a little window really quick, and boom. Here's the window we are looking for, and developed by sysinternals, which is by Microsoft. And what we're gonna do here, you can check the processes that are actually cached on your RAM, what do you have on your RAM and all that good stuff. Standby apps, that's what we are gonna try to get rid of, because that's taken, as you see, 9.2 gigabytes. Just for no reason, some of them. Now, as I said, this will help in a short term, but long term, don't make this every hour, because that will actually sometimes work in opposites, and it will make your system slower. And here's the physical pages that you have active, ranges, file summaries, and file details. We don't need any of that. We have the kernel stack, driver's lock, and all that. That's what it will actually dump. Mostly the driver, the kernel, and all that are on hold. So we go here on empty. But before I click empty the standby list, that's all I want to do right here. Not the working sets, because we're obviously working on them. I want you to focus on the cached memory here, 9 gigabytes that is being taken out of 47 gigabytes. So when I click empty, standby list, and it went 100 megabytes. And of course it will build up again as you use the computer, because it needs the cached files to access data faster, as we said. But basically, this is how you do it. If you're running that low on RAM, and sometimes it will actually make your system faster if you are short on RAM only. If you have enough RAM, I don't suggest you do it, because modern systems don't really need that. They run quite efficient. As you saw, 9 gigs is really not that much. It's just, not that bad. So we did this, and besides that, there's nothing else I can say. I will leave a link down in the description of this short video that we saw here, because I just noticed when I was running on one of my older laptops, just testing it, just with a few files on the file explorer, the RAM was going up to 99%. And I really needed some extra RAM to do a few more tests. And then I found out this RAM map. And as I said, I will leave a link on the description below to where you can download it. And this is the file right here, 671 kilobytes. And that's it. There's nothing else to talk about. Just, I hope this video helped somebody out there. And please like and subscribe if you don't mind. If not, that's fine. I still thank you for watching. And we'll see you next time. Bye.